Alright guys, I don't know where we left off, but we're picking up right here. So we're going to swap the sides out, and we're going to do it nice and quick style with power tools. We'll do one side at a time. That was pretty exciting. Junk plastic there. Power tools are great for taking things out. That's it's up to you whether you want to trust them to put them back in, because these printed parts and stuff, they're as great as they are. They're plastic. Don't forget that. They're fucking plastic. Okay, so now we gotta what? Take one of those supporters out there. Great. See what's going on here. I think it's just me. I'm putting enough pressure on the drill. Alright, we'll cram that sucker out, it's being a B, and then I'll bring us back. Alright guys, we're back. And if you notice, this side's gray and this side's black. When I printed these out, I printed two rights. My two right hand sides. So I had to use a gray one because I printed the grays out correctly. Anyway, I'll have to remember to change that. Or I'll just leave gray. What do you think? Is that big a deal? It's gonna be underneath the truck. I'd like it all black, to be honest. Anyway, these sliders, they have little spaces underneath them. You can get a tie wrap. It's awesome. It's like that in the print. So when you print it, comes out finished. I don't want that over around. Now you just use a tie wrap, see? Make sure nothing's in your way. Make sure nothing's too tight. Beautiful. A little snugly there. Alright, now, everybody's wondering, where do you put the battery? No, I'm joking. Does the body fit or not? The battery goes right here on the front. That scoots up just like that. See the hard body sliders? You see the attachment points? So, in theory, I should be able to take that body and just screw it right on here. Oh. Oh my goodness, that looks good. We're gonna need some grub screws, but I have any grub screws. I don't think I have 4, so I have to use normal screws. And the spacing's just great. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. So we'll call these screws All Blue screws. The All Blue gets his own type of screw. So with that comes larger screw needs a larger screwdriver. The mirrors are rolled. I'm going to set this right on its side, pretty much. Now it might not work perfect for you, because I built this body all by myself, and you know the whole deal. Yeah, we want to go back as far as possible. Right there. So just get started. That one lines up nice. Where? Right there. Pretty sure I hogged these up. Threaded them. I did, yeah. Okay, alright, so that's oh, it's looking good. Okay, so once again we wanna go in the middle. There. Beauty. Holy smokes, guys. That's a hard body G-Speed V3 right there. Look at that. On the bottom. Let's see the black side. And then noir. The gray you can really see on camera. That's good. There, see that? See the skid? 12-degree skid. G-Speed frame. G-Speed truck. Now that looks just fine. That's hitting a little bit. So we should modify the bumpers anyway. Or come forward. If we come forward, yeah, it'll fix everything. Because it's just off, it looks like a millimeter. See when you, right here, when it starts to turn, and the body needs to shift forward. Now there's multiple positions in here, so I'm just going to move it ahead one, and try it out, because right now it's just rubbing, and that's not what we want. Yeah, let's do that right now. There we go. That side's moved ahead. It didn't really want to because, well, this side's already screwed in. Whoa, see it jump forward there? That looks really, really, really good now. That many reels, yeah. Well, and that, my friends, is a G-Speed V3 hard body RC 4-wheel drive K10. That is sick. I'll change that one to black. Look at that though. So it's an LCG crawler, but it's a hard body. That's awesome. Like and subscribe, guys. Thanks.